Hello and welcome. So this will be our first proper review of this fantastic collaboration with a company called One Day Saving. This is a surprise for me as for baby M and for you guys, because although I ordered the item, I'm not sure how it would come out in real life. But as I said in the first video we did, our live session earlier, a sneak preview basically, this is definitely a diamond painting in the packaging. The packaging can already
really show what it is.
Yeah, it's not like cross stitch where you can already see something about it. This one is like really like a secret. Yeah.
Alright, we got it. You guys are going to love it. It's da-da-da-dun. It's Sunflower Snoopy.
Oh my gosh. Let's see.
Wow, let's
open. Slowly open it. Here.
Let's
open it slowly in front of them.
Wait,
maybe like this. That's it.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
Wait, hold on. Let's show them first the paper.
Oh yeah. Okay.
There's more.
So slowly. Oh. What do we have here?
Wow.
Oh, it's big.
Right.
Let me just straighten the fabric.
So first, we'll show you the items, okay?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my. Oh wow. Oh, it's bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Wow.
Wow. So
can you see it, guys?
Yeah.
Can you see it? Okay.
So basically, it's a picture of Snoopy enjoying his time with his little friend.
There's butterflies as well.
And they're in a really nice background in sunflower in the summer.
Let's show them close up the letters. It's nice and clear.
So you've got a V, an S, a H, a K, an E.
Oh wow.
And you've got a Y sort of.
Wow.
That is so cute.
How many colors do we have? 19. We got 19.
Oh, there's some down here too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the same. Test the stickiness, guys. Shall we? Okay.
Ooh, I'll test it. Oh, wow, it's sticky. You try.
Oh, that's really good, guys. That is fantastic.
Fantastic. Oh.
Yeah, the thing is. Oh.
It's so sticky that you really need to like put force in it to take your hand to take your finger off. It's so sticky.
Wow.
So as usual, you've got the codes on the right hand side and on the left hand side too.
It's a full round one, so the drills are the full round, so which is really awesome.
So
I love full round.
Let's take this out and let's show you guys the items.
While you're getting that ready, let me just tell our friends what it is. So it's a DIY 5D mosaic, a sunflower cartoon dog, which is Snoopy, with full drill round diamond resin painting kit, with rhinestone drawings, and it's a really lovely rhinestone drawing room decor picture gift. It features the following. So if you want to make your home more beautiful and colorful, the diamond 5D painting can help you add that by putting it on your wall or something like that. Yeah, it's perfectly good for your living room or bedroom to match and create the different styles. So as you have seen, we've got a really fantastic diamond painting set with a complete kit. It's got fantastic symbols, easy to follow symbols which are very clear and very easy to follow. And you can also see that it's very sticky.
Cool, but I think we dropped something. I think something fell.
Oh,
I don't know. So, these are all of the colors.
shall we show the colors?
Wow.
And
so, of course, you've got white for a starter.
They said the size is 30 by 40 cm.
Wow. So, of course, you've got white for Snoopy and all that. And then you've got all these other lovely summer colors. Wow, I love it. This is really nice. It's just one thing. I find it a little harder when it's like when the codes are X's, V's, ticks, and that. I find it harder when they're not just letters or numbers, but they're actually other symbols.
You'll get used to it. Maybe try something that's easy to follow first. Like maybe what would be nice so you don't remove the stickiness is maybe start from one corner and then work your way
Down to the Snoopy head.
and don't remove the. Some people they cut it. They cut a little bit out of the plastic and then they just do that bit. And then that means that you don't have to even bother opening and closing it or taking the whole thing off. Sometimes your hand can make it less sticky, yeah, and also gets dirty. So
Yeah.
what colors have we got here?
So of course we've got the white one. We've also got some black as well,
Yeah, Snoopy's got a bit of black going on.
and some flowers as well. And we've got some brown here. Nice and light, like a brown.
4 shades of grey.
Yeah, there's a different shades of gray.
I don't know. This is all the same. 3, 3, 3. So you got 3 bags of the same grey.
Wow.
And then a different grey, a darker one.
Wow. So 4 like grays.
And then you got a nice dark,
Ready?
what's this? Like dark red orange?
No, it's like a ready orange. Yeah. And then you've got this nice pretty orange, which is number 9. And over
6. Yeah, we're looking at the wrong side. And then
Okay.
7.
And then you've got 7, which is like a lighter orange kind of thing. And on number 8 you've got like a yellow. And on number 6 or 9
This is 9 now.
is like a sort of light gray, I think.
Oh.
And then we've got pretty pink.
Where are you putting the pretty pink? Oh.
Maybe for
Number 10? Where's number 10? Number 10 is this one. So he's got some pinkness to him as
light
well.
pink.
Oh.
And then you've got for 11 you've got this nice green for like the leaves and all that. And you've got like sort of a very dark brown, which is a 12. And next one is 13. And on 14 you sort of have this bluey black. I think bluey black. It's a bluey black.
It's not the same as this black, yeah?
No, it's a blue. It's a very dark blue, I think. And this is a very dark orange.
I'm liking it.
It's darker than this one. Darker than this orange. So a very dark orange. And over here you've got like a very light brown, which is 15. And then you've got
Let's move it a little bit so you can see.
then you've got 16, which is a really pretty purple. Then you've got 17. I'm not sure if this is a black hope.
It's not as dark as the black one.
I think it's like a light purple. No, a darker purple.
And it's not as... it's brownish. This is bluish and this is brownish. And the last one, number 18.
Number 18 is a very nice purple.
Oh yeah, and this is number 19. The white one. Wow. So are you gonna try doing the snowman first?
It's not a snowman.
Because we got a snowman.
penguin.
Oh yeah, it's a penguin, yeah. Oh wow. So I'm so proud to say that as soon as the email comes in, they'll give us a discount for all
You guys viewing Daisy Learns, and I'll also put that down in the description box so you can use that and avail even further reduction to the overall price, which would be so super cool. So once again, we would like to say, oh, sorry, before we say goodbye, we'll
Wait,
show you their kit.
We need
the
to wrap this up first.
accessory kit. Yeah, to put this.
Well, we actually. Oh, wow, we're wrapping it up. Don't forget the white one.
Yeah. We still have the accessory.
The
Yeah.
accessory
The
kit.
equipment kit. Yeah, to show you.
Yeah. Very, very nice.
Let me say that this is, if you wanna buy this particular one, you can go on their website. The link is down below, and just type or key in this one. Type this one 595275, and this will easily get you to the item itself. You don't have to search and search and search, because they've got hundreds of lovely things on their website. So if just in case one of you out there would like the same one as what we've got here, this is the code, and it'll save you lots of time.
Yeah. Right.
Now.
I will put that to. Yeah. We'll put that to a side, but yeah. So here we've got our lovely accessories. So let's open it up. If I can figure out which way it goes, it opens. Oh, there! Finally, I figured it out. So, of course, we've got our original fun pen. We're gonna have a lot of pens by the time we finish collecting all of the fun diamond paintings. Yeah. So of course we've got a fun pen, a fun pink pen, and of course we've also got our like a pink sticky thing. But if you don't know what that is used for, it's used for giving more stickiness to your pen, so the diamonds can stick onto the pen, and you can put it on there. And of course we have got our little a palette or tray that we could put our diamonds or beads on. And finally, we
So the basic things you need.
Yeah. And finally, we have some plastic bags, which are also basic. Well, not all of them come with plastic
It's like a
bags.
starter kit, yeah, to get you going.
Well, not all of them have like plastic. Sorry. Well, not all of them have
How many they've given?
plastic bags, like 3.
This is just for your spare ones, I think.
Yeah.
Or the mix ones.
Yeah, the mixed ones.
It's not bad.
Or someone's
For the
like
price,
when you
imagine
use
£4.16, you get a big portrait like this, and it's more or less like a A4 paper, so you can easily find a lovely second-hand frame for this after you've done your project, and then you can stick it on the wall. But I'm gonna show you a video of me putting glue on my finished projects, so at least I have no fear of it falling off, because when you put it on the wall, it's gonna be
the diamonds.
yeah. There's gonna be a chance
might
of them
fall
yeah,
out.
because it's gonna be standing like that upright instead of just laying on its back. So there are instances that it can or it would fall off, and I've seen it happen before.
Or it could.
So before I put it in a frame permanently, I have to do that, and I'll show you as I try doing it for the first time, putting glue on this. So I've already bought the glue, it's just a matter of sitting down and doing it. So yeah, again, many thanks. We're gonna do 2 more videos for One Day Saving, because they've given us 3 lovely products to review. We've done the first one, we've got 2 more to do, and we can't wait to share them with you. So far so good. This one is a really cool one. I really love Snoopy since I was a child, so doing this would be a pleasure.
She really likes.
This will be a pleasure, and the colors are so nice as well. So I'm going to be very excited. I'm going to be very excited doing this.
Me too.
So once again, thank you so much for staying with us, and for those who already subscribed, thank you so much. Please hit the like button if you liked what you've seen today, and yeah, thank you, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye. God bless.